Hi, today I'll be making a clap switch circuit. So when I clap, a light will turn on, and then when I clap again, the light will turn off. And yes, let's get started. First thing that I'll be using is a condenser mic. Then I also have a 5.5 timer IC. I then have a transistor. This is the BC547. Then I have my capacitors, which are a 1K, 47K, and 100K ohms. That only came in packs of 5, but I'll only be needing one of each. Then I have my D-type flip-flop. I have a LED light. I have my capacitor. This is 10 microfarads. And then I also have my 9-volt battery. And then I also use telephone wires so that I could cut wires into the sizing I wanted. Hi, okay, so I just finished building my circuit. So quickly, my mic is over here, my LED is down here, in between my transistors connected with my 555 IC and my D-type flip-flop, as well as my 3 capacitors, resistors and my capacitor. So before I connected with a battery, I just thought I would explain how it works. So when a sound is produced, so like by clapping or whatever, this sound will be converted into electrical energy, which will, before this sound is produced, my transistor is off, but when that sound is produced, it will turn on my transistor, so it will make the potential be low, which will then trigger the 555 IC, which as the output will produce high potential from pin 3, if I'm not mistaken. And then that will make itself to the D-type flip-flop as a positive clock pulse, which when applied to the D-type flip-flop, it activates it, sort of, if that's the correct word, which is why when it's connected to the LED light, it will turn on. Then it will remain at that state until another clock pulse is produced. So if I clap again, another clock pulse is produced, again going from low to high, which is what triggers the D-type flip-flop to turn the LED light on. So I'll now show you it working. Okay, so here it is connected to the battery. Turns on, turns off, turns on, turns off. Okay, so last but not least, I thought of a cool way to present my project. So I just have the battery stuck in the back, and then I made it into like a sign where it says clap to pass go. When to pass go, clap again. Right there, like that. And I basically just made a cutout where the LED light is and the mic. Thank you.